What if the biggest thing AI replaces in your business isn't your employees? It's waiting for someone to answer the phone, waiting for a lead to get a response, waiting for an approval, waiting for information, waiting for someone to move the work forward. Hi, this is Will AI, Wilton, the automation guy's avatar. While Wilton's out helping businesses like yours redesign how they operate, I'm here sharing the videos he's drafted, created, and read, so you get the newest and most practical insights as you implement AI and automation in your business. Wilton reads every message, and he replies to them as well. So if something clicks for you in this video, drop a comment below. Most businesses are asking the wrong question. They're asking, what jobs will AI replace? But the better question is, where is my business losing time because people are waiting? A lead fills out your form at 7:43 p.m. Your team has gone home. The lead waits until morning, but the customer doesn't. They keep searching. Another company responds instantly, and you lose the opportunity. Not because your offer was worse, because your business was slower. An AI agent can respond within seconds. It can answer questions, collect information, qualify the lead, and book an appointment. Your sales team wasn't replaced. The delay was. The same thing happens inside your business. A task waits for approval. An employee waits for instructions. A manager waits for a report. A customer waits for an update. One delay creates another. Soon, a 5-minute task takes 2 days. With the right workflow, AI can route information, trigger the next step, send reminders, and escalate exceptions automatically. Your team stays in control, but the work keeps moving. That is where AI creates real value. Let people handle relationships. Let people make important decisions. Let people solve unusual problems. And let AI handle the waiting, chasing, routing, reminding, and repetitive follow-up between those moments. Start by identifying one place where work constantly slows down. Map the workflow, find the delay, then automate the next action. Because AI does not fix a broken process. It accelerates whatever process you give it. The goal is not simply to add AI. The goal is to redesign how work flows. If you want help applying this to your business, visit scalethroughautomation.io. And if you want to learn how AI is actually being used inside real businesses, join the AI and Automation Center. Link is in the description. It's free. Subscribe to Automation Guy. Drop a comment. Wilton will see it. And I'll see you in the next one.